Hi guys, welcome back to another English discussion and English talk. You can consider it as a lecture also. If you don't like lectures, leave it. If you want to listen this as a lecture, then you can continue this. Now, how will it help you out? It will help you why you should focus on language more over subject. It will tell you that how to be fluent, and it will tell you the dark truth about speaking English. Nobody will tell you. They won't tell you in this school, but in real life, the fear is not about English language. It's all about people who are around you. I know at the first, the long ago when you had started talking English, you had started to try one word to talk in English, but you failed miserably. You had committed mistake, but you were not afraid of that mistake. You were afraid of the people who were laughing around you. And just for the sake of that, I have come here to make it cool down, guys. It's okay, man. This is just a language. And to be very honest, while you're talking your mother tongue, Marathi or Hindi or Tamil, Telugu, whatever language you have, Bengali also, whatever the language you have, you do not talk your own language correct. Even the people who are around you, those people also don't talk their own mother tongue properly. How will you consider to be talking English language in a better way? Now there is one another reason which is coming ahead, I'll tell you, but trust me, you can commit mistake. And don't be afraid and shy about any person who is around you. And if that person is dominating you for the sake of English language, don't consider that person smart, great, or intelligent. He just knows language, okay? Why I'm going to tell you this? Come ahead, I'll tell you. Truth number 2. Society worships English. People literally worships English, guys. Not because it's language, because it's status symbol. People don't speak English because it's a language. People speak English because it is for the sake of status symbol. People are talking English. Means I know that they can have communication in Marathi, Hindi, or the person is also talking in Hindi, but still they are using English because it is a status symbol. They look cool, they sound amazing, they sound premium, they sound how we can say, they sound luxurious. Don't consider, not everybody is using the English as a symbolically. Some people must have got the habit of talking in that, so in between they use the language. Sometimes it happens with me also that I suddenly start talking in English because basically I was a teacher of English language, so while having conversations I'm going to use English in between somewhere, and that is natural for me and that has inculcated inside me, so sometimes it comes out of that. And some people are there who have got so habitual with that they cannot ignore it, so ignore those kind of people. But the people who are deliberately using English, though they can use their own mother tongue also, so that people are obviously they are doing show off. Though some people, you might have got scared ki you had committed mistake, like it's go to school. Now this is wrong sentence, but somebody came and it said that it's not go bro, it's went bro. And that was the moment when you felt ashamed of that particular person. So consider that person. That person might have tried to help you out, and take this kind of helps. Say that it's okay. Are, thank you so much for correcting this. Oh, okay. I'm correcting this. I go. Sorry, I went. It's the see. What if I say that I give and I gave, and now I'm saying you, I give you money yesterday. Otherwise, you said, I gave you money. I gave you money. What if that person said you that I gave you money? Gave you means diya. Action finished. And instead of that, the person is saying you, I give you. I gave you. But that person wants to say that I will give you. Is it wrong or right? The person wants to say I will give you, but the person is saying I gave you. Won't you misunderstand anything? For that sake, people get confirmations. As such, they don't have any problem with the wrong. All they need is understanding that what person is trying to say, or they are trying to fetch the information which is told by that person. So don't take that in the wrong way, guys, understanding. Point number 2, as I have said you, I have told you, let's face it, in job interviews, client meeting, cafes, colleges, people don't listen to your ideas. Literally, though, yes, this is happening in India. They don't listen your ideas. They judge your accent, guys. Yes, people will judge your accent. It's not only in English. It's even in your mother tongue also. In Marathi and Hindi also, people judge your accent, vernac, and it has not to be. It should not be judged. But still, people judge this. Who is responsible for this? I am responsible. You're responsible. No, the the symbolic nature, status symbol, people consider it as a status. That's why they are trying to judge your status, that from which background you are coming from. And English is the uniform language. People cannot understand that from which background the particular person is coming from. If they get to know that you are not from urban area, you are from rural areas, they will definitely try to dominate. And that is basic human nature, that people want to dominate you, people want to rule over you, people want to influence you, people want to get attention from your side just because of this, and people like to dominate, and that's the nature, right? You cannot ignore this. Why I'm being so influential about this, aggressive about this? Because everybody has different accent, and that accent comes from your background. And if you want to change your accent, you will have to change your background. Now tell me, can you change your background? No. Simple. You cannot change your background, and that's what I'm telling you. So they decide your intelligence based on your fluency. Now it comes about your language. Now you didn't know English, you learned English and you came back. Now your intelligence is based on your fluency. You say, I does this work yesterday. Now there is nothing wrong about this sentence, means entire sentence is wrong, but still there is nothing wrong, because if person knows that what the person is trying to say, then there is nothing wrong about it. But still, and the word here, he is not smart. But just because of this statement, you don't become, means I don't want to exaggerate this, but saying this, I does this work, he is not smart, is not considered, na. But people consider. Now who is wrong about this? People. You are not. You have to accept that, and that's why you have to improve, guys. For the sake of this, people think that this is status symbol, then you have to improve your language. But the same mistake in your mother tongue, no one cares. No one literally cares if you are committing the same mistake. Why? Because English is equals to respect. Seriously, English is equals to respect. Yes, English is equals to respect. I believe. That's ugly equation, but we forced to believe. Now, what is the solution over it? Accept that it is a status symbol. If the society has accepted it, accept it as a status symbol, and that's why you have to improve it. That's the only solution. You might be saying, no, this is completely wrong. This is entirely unfair. Everyone knows, but no one wants to follow that. If status symbol is considered, then considered. Huh? The truth number 3. You were taught English like math, but not math. See, I am also committing some mistakes while talking. Because after all, it's not my mother tongue. I have been dealing with 3 languages, Marathi, Hindi, English. And I suddenly switching to English is it's not challenging for me, but still, this is somewhere you are fumbling between 2 to 3 languages, and all 3 languages are having their own vernac. The vernac is going to come in your language. So English is taught like math, but it's not math. How math? See, they gave you rules, right? Subject plus verb plus object. Tense table yaad karo. Remember the tense table, but you don't have to remember it actually, guys. Don't remember tense table. But they never taught you this simple truth. English is not a formula, it's a feeling, guys. Yes, it is a feeling. Now, whatever I am expressing at this moment, these all are feelings, right? These all are feelings, and just because of that, I am speaking. You don't speak it from your brain, you speak it from your courage, man. Don't speak it from brain, speak it from courage. For example, I want to convey some kind of message, and for that sake, I need sentence construction. Second, I need feeling for that statement. For example, you are teasing me. You are teasing me. Grammatically, the statement is good. But the feeling, is it matching? Either you're disappointed, you can say this, you are teasing me. Let's say you are aggressive, you are teasing me. You are confirming, are you teasing me? Are you teasing me? These all are feelings, and you have to learn exclamatory statements or exclamatory sentences to correct your feelings. Okay? Match your feeling with every statement in the beginning. Later on, it will become natural for you. Now, truth number 4 is that You blame yourself, but it is never your. Yes, you can't speak English is not your fault. Don't blame yourself. It's around you. It is not your fault at all. Okay? Maybe your skill, maybe your school didn't teach you well. Maybe your teacher made fun of you. Yes, teacher do that. In Maharashtra, teacher do that. Or in any other state, teacher do that. What they do, they make fun of you if you are talking wrong, they are committing mistakes, or they don't have that kind of fluency over the language. But still, teacher make fun of you if you don't know language, because after all, I have told you, na, English is considered to be intelligence and English is considered to be syllabus, symbol. So that's how people will make fun of you if they know English. And the people who don't know, they will never make fun of you, because in the end, they don't even know that what they are trying to tell. Yes, they know, they understand. Maybe your relatives called you Gaawala for bad English, but you are not Gaawala. You are simply a regional person who is staying at their own home. Is that your mistake? No. So you build your walls, you stop trying, and now every time you want to speak, your tongue freezes, your brain panics, and you say, "Leave it. मुझे नहीं आता." These are the mistakes you do, but you should not do. You have not to worry. You don't have to worry about mistakes. You don't have to worry about your pronunciation. In the beginning, I'm saying, once you become very good at English, you have to think about fluency. You have to think about corrections. But ये सिर्फ स्टार्टर प्लान है गाइज. खाना तो शुरू करो. स्टार्ट ईटिंग. वो डाइजेशन की प्रोसेस बाद में देख लेंगे, है ना? नेक्स्ट. बट हियर इज व्हाट नोबडी टोल्ड यू until now. What is that? You don't need to speak perfect English. Again, I'm telling you, you don't need to talk perfect English. You don't need to speak brave English. Your broken sentences, they are battle scars, guys. Your hesitation, that's humility. Your voice, that's power. Every word you speak in English, even if wrong, even if slow, is a victory over years of fear, guys. This is for the beginner speakers. Now, speak. Speak even if your voice shakes. Speak even if people laugh. Speak even if you are not correct. Speak because it's your right. Speak because this is not just English. This is your reclaiming your space in the world. Okay? English doesn't make you superior. English doesn't make you superior. And your mistakes don't make you small. So let the world wait for perfect grammar. You speak anyway. Speak proudly, speak broken, speak bravely. This is RJ Vikram, and your voice just found its power. That's how you can do. This was 20 minutes lecture. Again, I have created 2 more lectures for the same sake. In the beginning, I want to build trust with you that which methods can be there, the facts about English language, and there are many things. Mistakes are okay, and I will tell you again and again, and I have separately made these 2 videos to explain that why you don't start, but you should start. You must start. Now you have to start. Stop watching videos. Keep watching videos. Stop watching videos and start talking. Start shading techniques. I'll show you many types of techniques. But stay tuned with the RJ Vikram. I will give you fluency, though my fluency is not good. I will improve it with you. Whatever English, whatever the language I have caught over, still I'm making mistake because it is a language, guys. I make fumbles in my own language, in Hindi also. Means I don't make, but I'm telling you. You are fumbling in your own language, then how do you believe that you will not fumble in others' language? Why do you expect that the perfection will come directly? You'll have to practice for that. And to be very honest, don't go for perfection. Go for communication. That's how you can improve yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video for till the end. If you watched it till the end, tell me I have watched till the end, so I'll get an idea, Sarji. This is RJ Vikram, and keep watching. Baki, if you want to improve, go watch these 2 videos. Thank you.